In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your clips in Final Cut Pro. Now, as you can see on screen, we have just an example clip of some cars going through some kind of car park, and they're actually already going quite fast. But let's say we wanted to speed this clip up. What we would need to make sure we are doing is make sure we are actually selecting the clip that we want to speed up. And then we want to go over to this dial, which is quite near the transform tool over here, and we want to click on the right hand kind of drop down arrow to the right of it. From here we want to go and hover over where it says fast, and it's going to give us some preset speeds that we can actually choose to speed it up for. So in this example, let's just go ahead and double the speed. So if we go ahead and select 2 times, we can see that our clip is actually halved because it's going to obviously end a lot quicker because it's going to be faster. And if we play this, we can see that the cars have now sped up and our clip is going faster. Of course, we can make it as fast or slow as we want, but that is essentially how you can speed up your clips in Final Cut Pro, and there's some really cool things that you can do with this feature. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.